Google Ads for photography service getting clicks but not form submissions. Hello, I'm a portrait photographer based in Portugal. I've been doing Google Ads for the past couple of years and usually have results. That's very good. Now, for the past 2 months, I have tried three different ads, and although I get clicks, I never get any form submissions. I have a campaign with three different ad groups running for the past 2 weeks. Got 30 clicks so far, but no inquiries. Landing page is working. I have tested all buttons and even submitted the form several times myself. Keywords are specific using phrase and exact match. I know these are called phrase and these are exact match as my budget is not great and niche oriented for each group. Negative keywords are also in place. Any ideas what I may be wrong? Landing page is pretty much the same I have used in the previous campaign, but I will link it below if anyone cares to look at it. Okay, so thank you in advance Ali to give me your 2 cents on this. Okay, so this is your photography business and this is a couple photo shoot over here. Okay, I think that the photography business has a fluctuations all of the year, so this may be try to understand that this may be a reason you try to have to see your past data because you have been working around for 2 to 3 years. Maybe try to observe because there are some dark months every year. So I know this because we have worked with the clients. So this could be a reason you are seeing a downfall over here. And when you are have 2 to 3 years of experience, you may have a good data on what kind of campaigns are working well for you, what areas are working well for you, what days are working well for you, and what timings are working well for you. And this can potentially explain to you many of the shortcomings around for this. But if you are getting clicks and not landing page, it's basically an expectations mismatch. People clicking on your link to come on your website and not getting what they were expecting. So it's an expectations mismatch. Now to overcome these, I recommend you first of all to optimize your ads by creating ad assets. Now because you are doing keyword optimization, so I think this is not an issue. So ad assets could be an easy. For instance, this is a simple ad and this is an optimized ad. So you will see over here that how much ad assets are playing a role. So try working around this. But there could be another thing, there may be some new competitor over there. So that could be a reason. A new competitor is a market and they are providing better services than you for the photography service. So this could be reason. Also for photography service, I believe that social media plays a crucial role. So having a strong Instagram, Facebook and YouTube page with active testimonials videos can definitely help in increasing more sales. So I think that if you do not have it, do create one where you try to explain the services. For instance, I'm trying to see over here if there is something like this. No, it's not over here. So that will help. And definitely reviews can play a potential role, but let me see if I can see those reviews, because reviews also plays a very strong role for specifically for small businesses. I think you got 13 reviews, that's very good. But if I'm going to see over here and if I see the last review 9 months ago or 4 months ago, so I think a fresh reviews may be needed over here. So the clients may look around on these things as well. So try to gain the fresh reviews as well. For instance, your last review is 4 months ago, so this may actually show to them that you may be out of service or something like. So usually ask your clients to give a solid review. This also helps you in local SEO ranking as well. So consider those things and this can potentially try to help you. Also for your landing page, heat map can actually tell you where people are losing interest, but I think that a form, for instance, for the check availability, you have to go over here and then people have to write inquire on the next page. Why don't you add this form over here or a direct WhatsApp link over here rather going over on this page and clicking on WhatsApp or writing this message over here? You can have both of these things over here and this can definitely enhance your CTAs experience. So this can help you. Some case studies or videos over here can help you like this. So a fresh thing over here, maybe definitely, plus social media links as I told you before can definitely help you. Plus you could come up with a special deal running right now with like 2 albums 1 free or something like this. Then this can potentially do your CTA function and increase your sales for the people who are losing interest on your page. So these things are also important in generating sales. So I hope you like my few cents as you said, because that you may give me your 2 cents on this. So I hope this concerns your answer. But in case if you need a detailed Google Ads audit management or service, you can hire me and my team. We are a full-fledged agency and we provide even web development services as well. So in case if you want our services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description or through the first comment of this video. Thank you for watching. Take care and make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. Bye bye.